Yes, my peeps, make a little quick and easy, simple green seasoning. I don't know? Yeah, so I have my scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic, rosemary, thyme, onion, pimento berry, and I have some oregano right here. But I'm gonna add the oregano to it because it don't refine like oh you'll have the powder season refine, right? Yeah. You don't know so it things yet, so simple. I'm gonna just slice me onion like this. Yeah man. So quick and fast, just to make some green season. Go on me. Chicken, yeah. Ginger, you just slice them up like that. Or if you want, you can crush it. Yeah man. Quick and easy. Garlic, you can crush it also. With my peeps and the scotch bonnet pepper. Throw him in. If you want, you can just cut up your scallion, make it more easier. Quick and fast, Traditional green seasoning, yeah, make quick and fast. Alright, and then now this is my thyme, but I don't want the thyme stick in there. I just want the leaves, yeah man, like this. Yeah man, yeah man. Just the leaves. I don't want the sticks in it. Right? The rosemary, yeah man, I do it same way also, Just take off the leaves. Yeah. Simple as that. See it here? Yeah man. Take off the leaves. Yeah. And you add in your pimento berries. Yeah. Don't know me peeps, me don't have everything washed and prepared already. So you wash your seasoning and so forth and put it with drain off the water and thing, and then you do your thing. Then I'm gonna add some oregano leaves. Yeah, that's the amount there. Alright. Yeah man. And if you have French thyme or basil thyme, you can add little tea, you can add a little parsley or you don't know. Whatever you want to add to it. You can use lemon juice or lime juice, or you use apple cider vinegar. You see it? Yeah man. I may have this apple cider vinegar, so I'm going to add it. Just add a little to it like this. Yeah man. And you can use olive oil or your vegetable oil or so forth. But I use some simple natural coconut oil. Yeah man. Add it to it like that. You don't know. Right. Yeah my peeps. Like that. Alright. But to this season, I'm not gonna add no powder season to it. Because the powder season already refined. I don't know. I'm not gonna add no salt to this neither. Because I don't know the powder season them having the salt already. Don't know, because I don't have my thing up and running. Yeah man, farmer wait and experience man. I'm gonna give it a little blend and thing, alright. Yes, my peeps, I'm ready now. add everything together. Season to the bone, jerk season, Maggi all-purpose, celery, and those form of seasoning. Okay, now I had me sazan goya to it. Yeah, so you don't know anything, go man, and match up the thing. Yeah, man. I mean, cayenne pepper also in it and things. So you don't know anything going on. So I go add in my little green seasoning now. So you don't know how quick and fast, you know. Just the amount I want to use and thing. So I'm just show you what I go on over me. Show on me seasoning and things. So I go mix them up and now. You can use a fork, you can use a gloves, or you can put on a bag on your hand and do your thing. You see it? So just go and show you what I go on. Yeah. And thing. Yeah, man. And you look on it, and if you want a little more, you just add the seasoning to it, man. Yeah, man. Don't know. So I've been telling you before now, this being salt already. So I had no salt to it, and when the meat cook, you cannot eat it with too salt. Understand? Yeah. If you have brown stew or curry, while the meat are cook, you can taste it and add your salt to bring up the taste. But if a French fry you do, you just season up your flour and add a little salt to your flour and you're good to go. See what I say? But I not add no salt to this because I know how the season stay already, or don't know traditional way. All time people would just come like so with them spoon and gush on them hand and taste it and she say it is up and running and have the right flavor and the right taste. So I don't know the seasons already because I've been using these seasons and I don't know say everything up and running. So this is the good thing like this. That's why I tell you say quick and fast. Yeah, man. Quick and fast. Yeah. Because I never use too much scallion in it, you know. Just a little touch of everything. Because right now you can smell it. You smell the aroma, everything in it already. After me I pour it out. So you meat smell like it can eat just the way as it is. Yeah, man. The traditional way me I do it, man. Quick and fast. Alright, my peeps. So yeah, I got those rub in the seasoning thing. Yeah, man. So yes, my peeps. See how it look now? Yeah, man. Trust me, man. I tell you. I will move reverse a distance from it. I tell you, smell the aroma. I smell everything. Yeah, man. Don't know, my peeps. Stay tuned to Farmer Weight and Experience and subscribe, like, share and comment, and you don't know what's anything going on, man. That's all you have to do. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Farmer Weight and Experience, man. Yeah, man. I got the authentic way, you see, the traditional way. Yeah, man. Don't know anything set, man. So green seasoning, I got put in this close container. Yeah, man, after I put in a closed container, I go add my file paper and cover him. Or I can use plastic bag also, you know. I use the file paper, but one in a closed container so everything from this season start penetrate right through. You see it? Yeah. Then you know, cover him with the file paper and lock him down. Yeah, man. And you can use a plastic bag also Yeah, man. So you make sure you not around here for seal. You don't want none of the aroma to escape. Alright? Yeah, man, you put him in your fridge in the cooler part. Him stay there one cool down till you're ready for cook him. Alright, my peeps? You don't know anything going on. Bless up on yourself in a farmer weight and experience. And just subscribe, share, like, and comment to see. So bless up on yourself, as me say, and peace. I'm out.